How to find link in bio on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find link in bio on Instagram. To find link in bio or link in someone's Instagram bio, first of all, you need to do is open up your Instagram application. Now, for example, let's see that you were watching a video, all right, and you heard the person mentioning that link in bio, all right. So what you need is you have to then locate the particular profile of that particular person. Now you could see the bio is right over here, right? So you could find a link on this page as well. Now this particular user does not have it, so I'm gonna go for the next. So let's see, this is the one. So then click on the button and then you have these link in bio. So when you click on the link, you could see there they have these. So other than that, I'm also gonna look for other person or the user. Let's see, this is the one. So tap on it and then you might be able to find the link in the bio. Now apparently I cannot find none. So let's see, this has a one. So there you have the link in bio. So click on it and this is going to take you or directly take you to the link in the bio. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.